Marquette, Director of the American Space Museum in downtown Titusville, with another Unbox It. A nice big box here. The beautiful thing for us to all unbox and check it out here. Ooh, shipped beautifully to us. Here, let's see. We do have in there, it looks like some canvas prints. Ooh, hoo, hoo. I believe I know what this is. There we go. I got Raj here helping me. Ooh, from Eileen Collins. If you want her there. There you go. You got it there. There we go. I got it. All right. Yeah. Well, artist Chris Calley has donated this to us to put in our women's gallery. And Raj, if you follow me, I'm going to show you where this is going to go. Join our women's gallery. This is an artist friend of ours, Chris Calley, who did a special art print of Eileen Collins, whose handprints we have right here. There's Eileen and her handprints. She's been in this museum. And we're going to take this and it will eventually find a home up here. But let's just, there you are, ta-da. Eileen Collins, beautiful montage by our artist friend Chris Calley. Beautiful things of her career on there. So yeah, we're happy to. Thank you, Chris Calley, and thank you all for watching this short Unbox It at the American Space Museum. Peace out.